everybody. Mayor Dan Toland here with another weekly update. I appreciate those of you who are following the videos. If there's anything you'd like me to cover in the videos that you haven't seen yet, please let me know at dtoland@rfcity.org and we'll try to cover it. One of the things you have asked about is providing a written transcript for the hearing impaired. I appreciate that suggestion. So now you can find printed transcripts of our video updates at the web address below. Now, as usual, I'd like to catch you up on some COVID numbers for the last week. In slide 1, you'll see that Pierce County currently has 27 active cases, which is actually a decrease of 2 from last week. You can see the total number of cases are now at 133, and the county's activity level is high. Pierce County has also made some big changes to their online dashboard. The expanded data is very helpful for the city when calculating our recovery response. It is also very helpful to residents who just want to know what is going on. You can find a link to the new dashboard at the website below. In slide 2, you will see that St. Croix County has 135 active cases, a decrease of 23 from last week, for a total of 348 cases. Their activity level is also high. In slide 3, you'll see that there are over 9,000 active cases in the state yesterday, with a total of 846 deaths statewide. On Saturday, the state's hit 978 new positive coronavirus cases, setting a new daily record. The percentage of people testing positive also increased from 6.6% on Friday to 7.9% on Saturday. In slide 4, I want to share some of our local and regional criteria for moving to the next phase of our recovery plan. If you recall, we also take state criteria into account when deciding when and how to move forward. You can see that we are currently meeting the criteria in these areas. The last figure represents the percentage of beds available to treat COVID patients in the 15-county region of Northwest Wisconsin. You can see that this percentage has decreased by 4 percentage points since last week. That means less beds are available. Remember, we are keeping a close watch on all the data as cases continue to rise in our area. City Administrator Scott Simpson and I are meeting with River Falls business owners on Thursday. We look forward to this opportunity to hear their concerns and how the city can help them with their recovery plans. One of the issues we will be discussing is masking and how it is a good decision to help them stay open. At the July 28th meeting, the Council will consider a resolution advising the wearing of masks as an important tool for the community. If you have comments you would like the Council to hear, I encourage you to email or call and leave a message for them in lieu of attending the meeting for in-person comments. If you do choose to come to the Council meeting, being consistent with our crushing COVID plan and current county health guidelines, please understand you will be required to wear a mask in the building, the only exception being unless you are physically unable to do so. Also know that the capacity of the room is very limited, so be prepared to wait outside of the building for your turn. There will also be a sign-up sheet if you want to speak, and there will also be a 1-minute time limit for speakers. I know everyone wants to express their beliefs and concerns on the issue, so for the sake of time and the safety of everyone there in the limited space, I will not be allowing people to be expressing the same concerns over and over. The Council and I are very aware of people's concerns and arguments on both sides of this issue, so I will be looking to hear from people with a different outlook on it. For more information, you can also view the meeting agenda on the city's website at rfcity.org. Now here's some more updates from the city. I want to remind everybody that the 2020 census is underway, and so far 70% of River Falls residents have completed the census. That means there's more of us to do it. So please go to 2020census.gov and get it started. It's easy to do. I think it took me a whole 5 minutes. Remember, the census determines the distribution of more than $675 billion in federal funds, grants, and support to states, counties, and communities. It's true, everyone does count when it comes to this. The majority of the census offices will begin follow-up work on August 11th. That means that they will be going through our neighborhoods and knocking on our doors. For the safety measures that census workers are taking as they move throughout our neighborhoods, please visit 2020census.gov to read them. Reminder, in-person absentee voting at City Hall begins next Tuesday, July 28th, and runs through Friday, August 7th. If you haven't yet requested your ballot for the August 11th partisan primary election, you can do it now at myvote.wi.gov. The city clerk reports that over 2,000 ballots have been mailed as of yesterday. So that's it for now. I'll see you next week. In the meantime, if you have any questions or concerns or comments, please don't hesitate to send them to me at dtoland@rfcity.org. Have a good and safe week, and remember to be kind and consider how your choices affect others. Be safe.